morning everyone. Today is day 4 of the plank challenge and today we are going to be holding the plank for 35 seconds. So let's get started. Now before starting, let's warm up. For warm up, we're going to be doing some wrist rotations, 3 outside and 3 inside, and then some in outs, again 3 outside and 3 inside. Then we'll be doing some shoulder rotations. Okay, first outside, 1 2 3. Now inside, 3 2 and 1. Now some in outs, 3 to the out and 3 to the in. 1 2 and 3. Now shoulder rotations like this. Now first backward, 1 2 3. Now forwards, 3 2 and 1. Okay, now today we are going to be shifting from a regular plank, that is from a basic plank, to a high plank. Now if you want, you can still stay in the basic plank, but if you can, come on to your hands in the high plank. You can do this like that, or you can use modifications, that is on your knees or with a wider gap between your feet. But if you feel you can do it, if you want to challenge yourself, try it with me, with your feet together. Okay, this will really challenge your core. Now the timer will be set for 45 seconds, giving you 10 seconds to set the correct posture. So let's do it. Here we go. "35 seconds has started." We're almost there. 4 3 2 1 and we're done. Now slowly go into the child's pose. Okay, now let's cool down. For cool down, we'll be doing wrist rotations and some more wrist exercises, and then we'll finish with the shoulder rotations. First, the wrist rotations outside and inside. 3 for both, for outside and inside. Okay. First outside. 1 2 3, and now inside. 3 2 1. Now what I want you to do is hold your left wrist with your right hand tightly, and now take a deep inhale, and while you exhale, let go of your wrist. Okay, this will relax your wrist and make you feel better, because this will reduce the pressure that was developed on your wrist. Okay, one more. Similarly on the other wrist. One more. Now let's end with some shoulder rotations. 1 2 3. Forward, 3 2 and 1. That was it for today. I'll see you tomorrow at day 5 at 6 o'clock AM. Stay tuned and thank you.